Let's divide 342 by 2. Hey math adventurers, if you're having fun learning with us, hit that subscribe button and join the Let's Stud family. We've got tons of exciting math adventures waiting for you. Alright, let's start dividing 342 by 2. We look at the first digit of 342, which is 3. We're going to use just this digit for now. How many times does 2 fit into 3? It fits 1 time. Let's check 1 times 2 is 2. Now subtract 3 minus 2 equals 1. We have a remainder of 1. Great job, you're doing awesome. Give yourself a high five. Now let's bring down the next digit 4 to join our remainder 1. Get ready for the next step. Okay team, we have a 1 and a 4 making 14. Our new number to divide is 14. We bring down the next digit 4 and place it next to our remainder 1, forming 14. How many times does 2 fit into 14? Think of your 2 times tables. It's 7. Let's check 7 times 2 is 14. Subtract 14 minus 14 equals 0. No remainder this time. Fantastic work, you're crushing it. Keep that amazing energy going. We're almost there. Let's bring down the last digit 2 to see what happens next. Last step, math superstars. We have our remainder 0 and the digit 2 making 2. We bring down the final digit 2 next to our remainder 0, forming the number 2. How many times does 2 fit into 2? Just 1 time. Let's check 1 times 2 is 2. Subtract 2 minus 2 equals 0. We have no remainder. You did it. That's the end of our division, and you nailed it. We've reached the end of our division problem. 342 divided by 2 is 171. Woohoo! So we found out that 342 divided by 2 is 171. We did it! We tackled long division step by step and found that 342 split into 2 equal groups is 171. Remember, every long division problem is just a series of smaller, manageable steps. You've got this. Great job, math explorers! Keep practicing and you'll become division wizards in no time. Check out more awesome math videos on Let's Stud.